No.
No, through the mask, man. Hold on, man.
Off the chain, bro.
It's good, man.
All right, here we go, boys.
We're whipping the ram.
You know, we told you with the KTM when we got the wheels that it was a long time coming, but this has been coming for way longer. Tell
out here, fellas.
Tell us what's going on.
You know, we may or may not be buying a DRZ. Drop your hate comments below. Drop them below.
All right, so
2020 though.
let's talk about this. We've clowned on DRZs in the podcast. If you've listened to those, you probably haven't because they have 7 views. But you know, it's cheap. It's a supermoto, and it'll never blow up. So we're in the middle of absolutely nowhere, as you can see.
Love to see it. Might drop a cast in later. You never know.
Yeah, might swing by the local waterway, see if we can catch a fish. But
local watersheds up
we've been on the road for almost 3 hours now.
Yeah, Kevin took the executive route that had no tolls.
Yeah, toll free. You know how it is. I'm trying to ball on a budget over here. But we're gonna go pick up this DRZ. I'll try to film a little bit when we're there. Double rainbow, good sign.
A better sign than the DRZ.
So you might be wondering, what are you guys doing in the truck with no bike? And did you get a haircut from this dude in the middle of nowhere in Pennsylvania? And
the answer would be yes to both.
Yeah, so quick explanation. The DRZ had the bike was crooked. It may have had a bent subframe, among other tragic issues that made us not buy it. It's about a week later, and what are we on our way to buy?
KTM, baby.
What kind?
Yo, don't see.
All right.
450.
It's a
EXC,
450.
6 days. 6 days edition. What year was it? Spain? Italy? I don't know.
I forget. It doesn't matter. It
really doesn't matter.
This is the other end of the spectrum. The DRZs, we all know they're trash. We already ripped in them in the earlier clip. And once again, we're in the middle of nowhere, Pennsylvania, but we're heading to New York currently. And if all works out,
we're gonna nut up and buy a KTM, fellas.
Yeah, this is big moves. And if this doesn't work out, that was a 9-hour drive for nothing. Yeah. So
yeah.
We'll this time I'll actually film while we're there. We already hit sheets, so already off to a great start.
My shrewd negotiating.
Yep, already saw the double rainbow, so keeping it real optimistic.
You might see it again here. It's gotta clear out.
Nah, probably not. About 30 minutes away.
30 minutes away from the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, this is truly the middle of nowhere, New York, but it's really cool. Yo, slow down, bro.
Dude's geeked about my driving right now.
Dude's literally about to put my truck in the wall.
We go 40 around to 45, and he's geeked. Alright, we're back. Copped the bike, you can't see it. I might have almost not bought it.
Keith had a lapse in judgment.
There was some possible clownery. So most definitely clownery. Alright, we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna see what she looks like tomorrow. We'll keep you guys updated. Stay fresh out there.
Yo, you won't believe what we just rolled up on, boys. Cartoon Network Hotel.
Let's go! Alright guys, you saw me foam cannon it. Now, I'm hitting it with the Magic Eraser. And just as the name implies, this thing's magic, alright? Let me get you a before and after here. See all that? Let me hit a quick pass and I'll get back to you guys. Quick, probably about a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes of scrubbing on here with the Magic Eraser. There's still a little bit left, as you can see, but I mean, it turns the plastics around. So I got the bike on its side now on the stand, leaning up against it. And we're gonna get all underneath. The bike is pretty dang clean now. You can inspect that radiator, looks a little bent, but I'm not stressing it, get all that dirt off. So I'm only gonna ride the bike on the road mainly until winter, so yeah.
All right, guys, it's the next day. The bike has been cleaned up. We just changed the oil,
Crisp as ever.
tensioned the chain.
Transmission might be blown.
Nah, don't sweat it. So, do a quick walk around. I'll throw in an edit after these clips, but This is it, 2017 KTM 450 EXC 6 days. It's got FMF Power Core 4.1. It is already desmogged, has a power commander. We got a Dubia wheel set on Talon hubs and a couple other minor things, but mostly stock. So we're gonna go out for first rip. Oh boy, strap on the GoPro, let's get it.
Surrounds me, but I ain't scared 'cause you're with me, and I just need one more sweet moment.
Yo, Keith, give us the review, dude.
Out of pocket, as anticipated. I'm gonna have to ride Kevin's to compare.
Nope.
My engine braking's kind of wild. A lot of engine braking. It is a 450, so I guess it makes sense. But pretty spicy stuff going on out here.
Yeah, we'll get some glamour shots. Unfortunately, our windy road spot kind of got blown up. You'll see in the clip, there was a cop sitting at the end of it. He actually stopped and talked to us. Oh, the back of my phone is cracked. Anyway, he actually stopped and talked to us. We were stopped on the side of the road. He was real cool. We just didn't want to be ignorant. So moved on to this new area. We'll just ride kind of easy tonight. And the next time we'll get out there and really let him eat.
You will burn out in this gravel.
Yeah, for real. All right, fellas. Keith's getting off the cringe helmet.
Sorry, fellas.
We just got back.
Okay,
and real good time. You know,
yeah,
had a chat with
Kevin the whole time, just breathing in smoke. My lungs genuinely.
Ooh, you should have told me, bro. Yeah, we had a brief discussion with local law enforcement about motorcycle safety.
Stoked on us.
Yeah, the dude was real chill. Didn't notice that Keith doesn't have mirrors. We won't talk about that.
What mirrors?
As you saw, hit some twisties, had some fun.
I didn't die. That was key.
Yeah, it didn't die. There was a couple gravel patches
before legally.
Yeah, the gravel patches were a little sketch, but dude, the new bike, it's fast. It's way faster than this. Like, we hit third and you just took off on me.
We were going, you said going second, right? So I shifted right to second, then ripped it.
Yeah, we were in second, and then like we were pretty even. Then when you shifted into third, it was just like gone. I was like, it's got a lot of power.
It pulls the whole time, but it doesn't get like any faster. Like the mid-range, like mid all the way to top pulls
the same
all the
yeah.
way.
It's like, that thing has a lot of power.
It's louder when I'm like lugging it. It's really loud.
It hits a resonance. It's weird. But yeah, success, boys. we're gonna call it quits for this video. Maybe the fishing vlog next. The Supermoto fishing vlog.
Get us on some trout up in here. A little late summer trout fishing.
Unreal. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Cartoon Network, calm down. Let's go!